this is Rohit and welcome back to my channel. Actually, the plan was it was a one-day trip from Bangalore. We stayed back here. To one point thing is this, we did not get even our toothbrush, even our extra dress to wear. So, I forgot to show our room tour. So, this is the room. And that's the toilet actually. So we paid almost 1,300 for 2 persons with a complimentary breakfast. Here the rooms are not so good, but comparatively looking for many rooms, this room was okay, fine. Okay, come on guys. Came to this falls. This is almost 5 to 6 kilometers from the room. This falls is named as Masila Falls, I guess. So it is almost 3 minutes walkable distance from the parking area. So we thought we'll do some drone shots and we'll go near and we'll take bath, but you can see there are people, they are shouting. Especially family people, they are not here in this falls. All are bachelor boys. You can see it's then only so much, and the water level is also very low here. So there is one more falls. From here it is almost 5 kilometers. We have to walk around 1 kilometer down. So we are trying to go there. Let's go and see what's there. So guys, finally we reached here from Masila Falls to Agaya Gangai Falls. So we are getting down. So here they are charging 20 rupees per person. So from here it is 1,250 steps for getting down to go near the falls. And again we have to climb back 1,250 steps. So the person who gave the ticket, he told us that while getting down it is easy, but while climbing it is very difficult to climb. So come on, let's go and see how is it. So guys, you can see here the steep how it is. You can see how difficult it is to get down also. I don't know how we will come back from the falls climbing up. You can see the depth there down, how the view is. So guys, if you see here the view, actually it is very worth for climbing so down. We came all around 100 steps, that's it. But you can find the view here. It's amazing guys. It's really worth it. Especially if you are a nature lover, it's superb. You can see the steps. It's still going down and down and down. See there? That's the full idea. So guys, right now we got down 1,000 steps. It's very, 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 very steep. Actually, you can see I am not able to stand only. You can see my legs are shivering like anything. And
Let's see Prince. See his legs. It's shaking. And see, we have to climb these rocks and everything to go for the falls. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know if you can see in the camera. I'll go near and I'll just show you the view. It's really worth it. So guys, finally we reached the falls. You can see the nature's beauty here. Woo! Wow, wow. Definitely getting down and coming 1250 steps is really worth it. See? You can see. Amazing, amazing. So guys, right now we are going inside the falls with the GoPro. I don't know whether Hero 5 is waterproof or what. Let's try. Come on guys, let's go. You can see guys, the wind is blasting, so it's very so heavy here. We have to catch this rope and go to the falls there. I don't know whether we'll reach there or what. It's doubtful. Let's try this challenge. So guys, you can see here we are going to the inside the water So guys, let's go for an underwater shot now. Guys, finally we took bath in the falls. Really 10 out of 9. But the only problem is that they have to at least maintain these things. They are charging 20 rupees per person. They could have maintained these things at least by putting some steps or anything, because many of the people while climbing these rocks, they fell, getting down to 1250 steps and coming. One more thing in sense, now we are like fully exhausted. We have to climb again the 1250 steps back. So I'm not in the mood right now to do any vlog. Actually, we thought to fly the drone, but due to the altitude problem, while flying the drone upper side, the wind is very high. Altitude level was very high, and even the wind was very high. So that's the reason I could not fly the drone above a certain level. Right now we are climbing slowly. Once we reach the top, I will continue the video, guys. So guys, almost we reached just 500 steps, but we are not able to climb because it's very steep here. So we are going, keeping on going. You can see I'm not able to breathe properly. See our prince. See our prince is walking in very peaceful mode.
இப்போதான் இந்த மந்தரை வருது அவ்வளோ மேலே இருக்கு.
The apocalypse. The heat is scorching. Forests burned up. The sky colors red.